Yes, people, you don't know, media facts now. Come for talk fast when I talk trash, And you don't know, Like, share, subscribe, same speed. You don't know. Big up all of the supporters, them, man. You see me? Big up all of the haters, them, same speed. You see me? And you don't know, Yeah, man, you don't know, We come for talk about the superstar, ALKALINE. You see me? You don't know, ALKALINE is a youth where he might do big things, great moves, and you see me? You don't know him have a show forward up in the UK. You see it in April, the 17th. And him have one, I think, in a June, you see me, at Canada. You don't know. ALKALINE kick down barriers and, you see what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Because you don't know him forward out as a little youth and, you see me? He might do him thing and... Yeah, so, the thing is that ALKALINE do him own a thing, you see me? And people don't like that. You see me? People hate. Some of the time I wonder how them hate the youth, you see me? The youth them respect everybody, but it's like, I guess, you don't give special ratings, but ALKALINE do him own a thing, but him greater move, you see me? Yeah, man. Young lad, is what I try to say. And first show Jamaica. The youth show them and prove it to them. You see me? Yeah, man, improve it to them, man. And make them know what go on. You see me? No one time and time. When I know ALKALINE name, always a call. You see me? Always a call. You see me? And as him say, him are the ingredient what them need. You see me? Because ALKALINE really do the social media thing and all of them look something there. You see me? Yeah. Him low off for that because him know him haters are always have something to say. So him not really make them know him next move. You see me? Him always 10 step ahead of them. You see me? Yeah, man. But over the years, from ALKALINE busting him come out with the black eye ball and thing, you see me? And just to make people know what go on. You see me? And then him create an impact. Come with great music and every little thing, you see me? So after that now, the youth team team go find him, do him shows him and every little thing. And for such a young little youth, you see me, young little youth, a keep such a big show at film age is not a everyday thing. You see me? Because when you check it, as a young little youth, it motivate other people to keep them show. You see me? Seem like Papi. You see me? And enough of them little young artists to keep them little show and every little thing. Because I remember say ALKALINE was the only little young youth where pave him way for himself. You see me? Him never go in a group or a big handout or whatsoever. You see me? Him usually go studio. I try to find him way. Because I get a youth, but them turn him down because you don't know if you're not link with this money, if you're not about to this money. You see what I try to say? So him just stay to himself. You see me? Because that's why you see him not to show people him lifestyle or him not really show people him personal life, because I'm going to take that, run with it and try to criticize him, or you see what I try to say? So him just hide that away from the media. You see me? Because it's better when people don't know things and then you just surprise them one day. You see me? So people have to just understand, say, the youth, I just him that and him just do him own a thing. You see me? Because if ALKALINE did bow back then, he wouldn't create to him for create to them now. You see me? Because right now, ALKALINE to me is a superstar. You see me? He's a superstar. You see it? Yeah, him get him #1 album as a juvie. You see me? As a young youth, I get a #1 Billboard album. It's a great move. You see me? It's a great move. You see me? The only thing, them just hate him because of some feelings thing and hate him because him not bow to this man. I don't know why. You see me? Because everybody, them same copy this, them copy that. You see me? And everybody have a copy personally or especially to one man or whatsoever. You see me? So him forward out, him listen every artist, him see what go on. No mean say him have to listen to this specific person. You see me? Yeah. But him a do him thing. Him have him shows, him a keep him show Florida, New York, every little place him a keep him show as a little young youth and thing, and it's a good look. I'm about 31, It's a good look for ALKALINE. You see me? Rate how the youth move, militant and thing, you see me? Yeah, him not too dip on the corner, sit down and a chat and them little thing there, you see me? Because if you see what going on in media right now, a be a saga and drama, you see me? It's like dancehall thing right now. Like them a jiff it from the music and I bring some slackness and some madness and some overrated thing and some unexpected praising and one bag of saga, you see me? Family drama, this, who no buy vehicle. ALKALINE just stay far from that, you see me? I see a man come out and talk about way back when he usually manage ALKALINE, and I don't know after 11 years he forward with that. You see me? That don't make no sense. But he might try to look at hype still, but ALKALINE is a youth where you can't get hype off of. You see me? Because the youth just using music. Right now, ALKALINE as a little young youth, him me say, I do the damage. You see me? I keep him shows, I create wave. Them always him can't stop call ALKALINE name. You see me? If you're a person when no deal with people, him no come up on media talk this or talk that. You see me? Everybody just use bad mind or criticism or whatsoever. You see me? So every day them get up with the youth name, but what? The youth get stronger every day. You see me? Some of the time people are like say, yo, I only love call this a youth name so every day. You see me? Cause you don't know him have a great manager which is his sister. You see me? Great manager. Cause remember, you know, for some of the time family thing no work, you know. You see me? And everybody always have that perfect family thing that when it comes to music where your family I deal with your music career and thing. You see me? And him have a great sister. I have to respect that. We are deal with him thing and sort out him thing. You see me? Yeah man, that I would rate. Couple people forward out and talk with them experience with alcohol and every little thing. You know, some talk good. That's how you go. You know, I always get the good talk all the time, you see me? Yeah man. But him always I get the fight. Him been getting the fight as a little juvie and yo, grateful for see him pull through, him make damage, make waves, every little thing. You see me? Yeah man. So people are gonna hear them thing and you know them are gonna chit chat and talk about Ray and them love talk about artists flap out and one bag of thing and Ray. Them don't know music, you see me? Them really don't know music. Sometimes when them talk I just feelings. You see, because ALKALINE really sit down and chat with people. You see me? Or they around this or buy this, give them a people or whatsoever. You see me? Because I don't know what ALKALINE do. But my see things out there, you see me, and not even know. Remember one time when ALKALINE just afforded him show. Him give the blind people them organization thing. $1 million him give them. You see me? Because I want to call him blinds. But that's how you go. You see me? Because ALKALINE, no matter what you say, it not faze him. You see me? Because when I talk about him every day, but him not really talk about you know. You see me? Him say him listen to the song, him say on the lame still. You see me? So and I like say him not listen to the song them. Him listen to the song. But we not really have it like that. You see it? And all who remember him say no. All who try this soon last. Check all the artists them with this him. And see where them they know, where them music career they know. You see me? We not see nothing go on. You see me? But ALKALINE are going to create a big impact, you see me, in the future. Because I remember now, just in first decade this, you know. You see me, I have more decade left to deal with. And I'm going to make big moves and them are going to see it, you see me? Yeah man, them are going to see it, man. And sometimes you have to move in silence, you know. You see me? Yeah man, you have to move in silence. Him go through a little lyrical war with some man and, you see me? Yeah, you don't know man like Popcorn and the Six them. When ALKALINE done with the Six them, you know. Boy, may I tell you. 6 cut in a tree. You see me? Yeah. So after that the 6 kinda crumble because them time everybody has a 6 but nobody now say no 6 again. Everything gone. I not even know where daddy one day but that's how you think go. When you go war the Lord you have to ready. You see me? Him do Popcorn. You see me Popcorn. I don't know Popcorn really answer. I must say Teflon forward out and say yo Popcorn come team and ask him if him answer and him say yo how are yourself and me we sort it out. But I one of them thing that body don't know say Popcorn can't really do the lyrical clash thing, you see me? Yeah. Him can't really do the lyrical clash thing. You see it? Can't manage the lyrical clash thing. So him have to do what him have to do. You see me? Him have to do what him have to do. You see it? So but ALKALINE is a great artist. Rate him move. You see me? Cause seem like the international artists them. You know too see them in no media like that in a bag of drama and one bag of thing. The youth just drop in music and just love it. Some of the time ALKALINE don't even promote him music. You see me? Him just make him fans do it for him. You see me? He just drop in music, impact. Look when him have a song named After All. You see me? That until this day. That drop about maybe about a decade and or 8 or 9 years, you see it. So still a mash up the place. A anthem that a dancehall, that I want a dancehall anthem After All, you see me? But the youth do great music and thing, you see me, and we have to give him flowers and thing, you see me, as a local youth where I do the thing and him no buy into the system. You see me? Him have him own a system. You see me? Yeah man, him have him own a system man. So great artist. You see me? You know the bangarang, the bag of drama and whatsoever. Yeah, people say yo, ooh, the man they flap out man, Ray, nobody now drop no song, Ray. ALKALINE now move off on nobody pace. You see me? ALKALINE move off a theme pace alone. Him do him own a thing. You see me? Him own a boss. That's why I'm say boss every boss. You see me? A man can program him and say yo, don't say that, loud that. ALKALINE do what him want. You see me? Yeah. ALKALINE is a man. The man there, You have to wonder, it come like Alkaline live on an island where him alone live on it, and him have KFC over there, everything. You see me? Yeah, man. Some see it, and sometimes you just fly out space and chill and fly come down back. Cause you know too see them man there. Only time you see them man there when him have to go do shows. You not even see them man there road, not even a car, a drive, not stopping in a supermarket. Superstar level that. You see me? When you see him, you're supposed to, yo, them man are there so, but no, Alkaline no move so. I remember say them don't not like him already, so him have to move vigilant, you see me? Him can't do out there every day, and you see me? Come on out him thing. You see it, superstar level him a move. So when you see him go up on stage, you know it's a work time. You see me? When you see him have one show, you see him flying just land at the place, do him look a video and big up the people them. That's it, Alka that. You see me? But I say go, them not gonna like him, you know, none at all. Because him not buying into the system and link up. Because so dancehall work, you know, dancehall work if you not link with certain DJs and certain man, especially the DJ them in Jamaica. If you not pay your dues, you see me, and come link them and pass through or whatsoever, them man not give no support. You see me? Yeah man, you pay your dues. Them not give no support. You see me? I saw them man the thing work. And I think kind of bias and same when them have them little award and every little thing. I don't know the system work already, you know. When you have Caribbean awards, I have Mecca awards and them little awards there. You see me? Them thing they work with the system. I favor it. Who them like, them just give that. You see me? I saw them work. You see me? So, Alkaline, him get fame award them same speed and what, but you don't know them not highlight that. Because the system not done not to rate Alka already. You see me? Because when them, remember you know, Alkaline, to me, Alkaline open the gate for the younger youths them. Because remember say back then, you know, no artist, no look young youth couldn't just forward and bust and not pay no homage to nobody. You see me? Them couldn't just bust and them have to, yo, this money have to carry them go studio. This money have to carry them on stage. You see me? Alkaline do that. Alkaline don't do that. You see me? Alkaline just put in the little contact lens. You see me? And trick them and but when do after that. Come in by now, anybody can come with stunt, you know, social media or controversial thing, you know, but where them are gonna have after for carry on them career. Because them have great music. We can put out there so people can relate and can mash up place. So Alkaline have the talent behind that. You see me, him just put in contact lens, you know, come up with a little tricks and say, yo, tattoo eyeball and get a tattoo artist. Make it look like some doing ball and doing eyeball and them little thing there, you see me, so. You know, everybody has say, yo, that you tattoo eyeball and start blast the world and know everything, but what? You must have the quality music and, you know, behind that and every little thing for carry on, because you can't just come out with a little eyeball and that's it and feel like say that I go sort out everything. You see me? So what him do now, him just come with him great music, dominate the place, big show and one bag of thing. Alkaline cut for about 3 years or 4, you know, and forward back with him show, you know. You see me? Yeah man, great impact man, great impact man. You see me? Forward back with him show, mash up the place. You see it? Yeah man, great move with Data Boss. Yeah, but me rate him move, superstar. Yeah man himself. You see me? He's a youth and everybody I go rate him, but him still always prove them wrong. You see me? Yeah man, him prove them wrong man. You see me? Because remember an independent artist, him do him own thing. You see it? Yeah, and enough people look up to him, him have enough undercover fans. You see me? Some of them hating at the public, but behind doors, them rate him. Listen music, see him and chat and chit chat and everything. You see me? So yeah, you don't know Alkaline that. And yeah man, him gonna make great moves man in the future. Remember me tell you that great moves him gonna make in the future. You see it? Yeah man, so people, I don't know, you know, media facts, you know. I don't know if you like, share and subscribe. Click the notification bell and click all. You see me? And support the movement. You see me? Yeah man, big up all of the people who rate the thing and who not rate. But you don't know. I support same way. Yeah man. That is it.